I could always hear my better self clearing his throat in the room next door. And when the world came crumbling down, I wondered if he'd stop coughing and kick that door in. And sure enough, he did. And I think that's the difference between when you're operating at a certain comfort level and when you really are at your wits' end and it's just you and whatever God you pray to versus the world. And there is no lifeboat, there is no backup. I think it's at that moment that your better self stops being this fictitious self that is not in the room and just enters the soul and mobilizes every single resource you have at your disposal.